dig in the Pepsi magnets because he didn't ask how much they were. I did wear my hat today, so I won't be quite as blinded when the bright tables get here, because they always get me. But I did forget to put sunscreen on, so I'm probably gonna regret that. But we left them, they're behind us, see? It's kind of moving, it's on a hill. I love him.
I got tons of it, but I just brought a little of it this time to see how people liked it.
It's cute.
Yeah.
I don't really collect it. Too bad he's broken and chipped, and he's actually a salt and pepper shaker, and there's only one of them. He's so damaged. He's so stinking cute though. This turtle's really cool looking. It's made of resin though. Cute. I wish there was two of those. Still sipping my coffee, you guys. That bottle's cool, but it's modern. Let's see what kind of toys are in here. Look, Larry, it's from Scooby-Doo. How this tub is hot, it touched my leg. I only see the one though, no friends to it.
Yeah, I was born in I ain't like this judge. 36 years.
Two for $1.
That's $150.
You take all the pops and get it if you want.
Yeah.
Cute.
Anything in them tubs, ornament wise or anything else is $1 a piece. Even the ornaments on the table are $1.
The jewelry. It's like jewelry making stuff versus actual jewelry. I have plenty of that at my house. I don't see anything I'm fancying. In this section at least. It's an eye washing cup. You ever seen an eye washing cup? How much you pay for your games? Huh? 20 for all of them? Was that good or bad? That's cool. Oh, those are interesting. Asian art. Look at this one. It's actually got like clothes on it. He's nice. 1996 too. I don't know. I didn't ask prices. He's really nice though. No, it's just they're hinged. So they move, and he's got a suit on. That is nice there. I don't think this one's as old.
I know, that's what I said.
Yeah, what are you gonna do with that?
Yeah, that won't even have a year on it.
How much are your figures?
Figures, the signs on this side, 3 for 10.
Oh, here.
Young, the guy wouldn't come down. This is for you, but he's vintage, and he's cool and very good shape. Yes. Call out for a friend. Right? So many Barbies. I'm letting you deal with that. Video game, video game, video game, video game. Oh, this SpongeBob case is cool. I wish I knew if it fit Lily's phone. Holy moly, look at that jewelry, Larry. That's a mother load of digging. There's video games on the table. I know it's hot, isn't it?
I want mouse.
Oh, I know what that is. That's your sensor, and I got a mechanic. He's gonna try to.
Broken, but it is a Joan Rivers.
All right, man. You guys got
Woo-wee.
questions? How you doing?
I found this stuff. I'm gonna see what he wants for it. This guy's usually kind of high, but we'll see. That's absolutely darling. With the elves on it. I don't know if I want it though. Look at SpongeBob. Ooh, knocking stuff over.
Ice cream cookie.
This is really cute. He's repaired, but that's adorable. What you finding? Anything fun in there? I don't see anything fun. Let's get your passion. There's the candles that's seen better days. They're melting. It's so hot out here. Layla, do you think yelling at somebody's gonna change the fact that we ain't done it yet? That's kind of cute with the strawberries on
Way
it.
to travel there.
Anyway, we're gonna see what she wants for this. Have some how much she wants for that.
Price on that?
$2.
What about the figure?
He's cool.
That's what that thing is, I think.
You remind me of something off of a scary movie.
Oh no, come on.
Ants in the pants. There's a How to Train a Dragon little figure.
Yeah, that's what he reminded me of.
Oh, she's cute too. Oh. Oops, I knocked something on the ground. He's really cool. Look, How to Train a Dragon and a troll.
Black and white.
This almost looks like Ronald McDonald. She's creepy looking. I'm just gonna have to sit it on the ground. There's too much in the tote and I can't transfer it to that tote. She's so creepy looking. You don't know what's in the bottom of the bin, Larry, unless you dig. Right? Right, Larry? Right? Hey, Larry! Look, here's another one of those. And it's packaged. Sesame Street. Yes, we need him. Don't tell me no, just take it. He's old, Larry. You seem so excited about the thing I found. Not really, do you? Wonder what she is. She looks interesting. Oh, she's the old thing that you put Play-Doh in and it comes out of her hair. Made in Mexico. Kenner. I think we maybe should get her if she's cheap enough. Just because of what? Because who made her? Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, I want that too. I remember getting those from McDonald's back in the day. Prairie let me get the troll and the little kitschy bear that swings on a rope, the little girl that's for Play-Doh, and we got Big Bird, and he's mechanical too. I don't know if he works. Let's see if he works, you guys. Kind of works. It's kind of moving. It's on a hill. I love him. As always, she provides. Always find something, without a doubt.
And I've got more bracelets up, Margaret's up. No more bracelets.
Oh yeah, keep bringing the bracelets. We love the bracelets.
I'd like to be able to sell some of this stuff too.
Oh, I remember these being hot in the early 2000s.
It's not,
The jeweled,
stretchy band?
the stretchy,
Oh, these are
bands,
stretchy.
all of, yeah, those were all like the thing when I was
they've been in the
a
box for about a
teenager and working at Fashion Bug. That does, I don't even think that even exists anymore. Do they even have Fashion Bugs anymore? You're just showing my age.
Oh well. At least you remember some of it. I remember when people talk about it.
In Kiddos, I was in the middle of the country. Oh, country. No, but I like it. I was in the middle of the country the other day, and there was a Kiddos. When's the last time you seen a Kiddos?
I don't know if you've been on top.
Well, I don't either, but when I worked in retail, I knew those stores because they were competitors. I never worked at Kiddos. Ooh, cute, cute, cute. There's another wood one. Oh, it's attached to a bunch of others, so we don't want all the others. She's helping me find all the fun ones. Here's some plastic ones right here. Looks like there's one down. I need a bag. Look, that one's like glittery. My hands are getting full. She's gonna help me out here. We were just having a conversation about how we don't ever remember each other's names, but we know each other's faces.
Yeah, sometimes a voice will touch it. And I found today that there's several people that look alike.
Oh, here's your hook. That was just on my hand.
That's on me.
Oh, there's a white one. That one's nice. She always refills. I haven't been here in like 2 weeks because we've been gone camping, but no, it's got some rough edges.
Oh. Don't pick
Yeah,
it
throw
apart.
it in there. Throw it in there.
Pick it apart.
Throw it in there.
People that do that. Everything has to be pristine. And then
Is that wood? Yeah, that's wood. I thought it was plastic at first, but that's wood.
the fancy wood you won't find here because I keep them.
You keep them, so you're keeping the good ones on me, is what you're
But I
saying?
will take pictures until I have it home. And then this one will die.
But why? Why?
Because if I like it, it's mine.
Necklaces are hard. They don't move very fast.
These are a couple.
We also just dug these out. This one's very fun. I wish you had some more. Do you have any more like this?
What?
It's like a fruit with a face.
Oh, I'm no.
No.
You see this box?
These are absolutely darling. Hopefully she doesn't want that much for them. There's not music playing here, so I can record today. Cute, cute. I kind of like this Minnie Mouse, this Mickey Mouse right here too. What's this one? A little owl. There's two of them. What you finding? She told me she's like, I trust you. You'll come back. Just take your bag with you, and just bring me my $20 back. I was like, are you sure you want to take it? I trust you. You'll come back. She's like, okay. Okay. I really like all these little figs. Aren't they cute? I like all these. Did you see her?
Yeah, she said I can have it for $5.
Okay.
I don't want that one.
Google Lens this. Let's see what it is.
Looks like a Monster High or something.
I know. It might be a Bratz doll though.
I'm going to hold on.
Isn't it cute? She's 2012, so she's not new. I'll hold on to her. Just.
Do it again. It was crooked.
Oh my god.
Well, be still.
She's got any new cool jewelry? I need more jewelry, like I need a hole in my head.
You said the small ones are 5? How much are the small ones?
This is cute.
These are 10?
Yeah, these are fun.
Okay.
Cute. What is that thing? Oh, it's a bottle opener. I wish that was real. Can we move them up a
You give
little?
those to her?
Hey, I see it, baby. Don't put it right in my face, please. Mama's trying to look at the jewelry and you're putting your hand in my way.
Mom.
What?
Mama says.
What? You're hitting me in the head.
Monsters.
Oh, there is monsters, isn't there? Those are cute.
And this.
Okay, don't touch that. Skylar Larry. Look, there's all the Harry Potter figs. And wands. We need that fan to cool us off. Here's Wolverine, Larry. I don't know what those are. Those are my children. So we got this really cool cup and it had a lid and Larry broke it. And we found a stone dinosaur, which I've never seen before. We got some Coca-Cola bottles that say 1995 on them. And a bunch of other stone figures that are down in there. And some little collies that Larry just went and paid for. Larry's gonna go see what they want for these. The slang dictionary. Some belt buckles that we found. A 600 Club patch. We're gonna get that for the storage lockers. This magazine needs a little love, but it's really cool. And then that one too is really awesome. So, go see what they want for it, babe. Round 2, finishing up this baby and finish up going through this and see what else we want to keep and get rid of. Hopefully we get to keep most of it. I think all of these are empty. Aren't these all empty? Yep. Yeah, these are the empty hauls of totes that we already went through. New Wave looks brand new. I ain't shipping that sucker. You could probably put it on Facebook maybe.
I thought we wanted to take out the camp. Is it too big?
Not in my camper, no. Call your mother-in-law, see if she wants it. Or your mom. Call your mom, see if she wants it. I don't want it. I don't want these. You know me, I'm weird about polos. Alright. Start with this one. What's in there? Bum 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 bum. What's in there? This is a candle warmer. Somebody might buy that, so let's. This will be the heat tote, and this is the rid tote. And okay, you can come out here with us. Why don't you go and put shoes on so your feet aren't hot?
There's glass right there, baby. You gotta put shoes on.
Outside. Oh, it's all vintage Christmas. Oh, look how cute that is. A little kitty. Oh my god, she's super creepy. She only has one eyeball. Did they make her? I think they put that together, maybe like a doll head with like, I have no clue. That is creepy. Oh, look how cute that is. Look, it's like a little Raggedy Ann. A birdhouse and a McDonald's. Kristen, right here is that.
Mom, Mom.
Yeah, I see the marker. What are you gonna draw on? All right, we're gonna keep this vintage Christmas. I vote yes. That's like the second one of those I've seen. So vintage Christmas, yeah. Shirt we found. Might have showed this in our last episode. I don't remember. Did we show this? The Ark Encounter, that can go in our live. I say we get rid of this. I think I gave Summer that vacuum, so we can get rid of that. Sure. Baby shoes, hand towel. Keep. We don't want that. No, I don't think I want this either. Do you want this?
No.
Neither do I. We'll keep Oink. I have no clue what that thing is. Yankee Candle. In the basket would always be good to put stuff in, so we'll keep that in. There. Looks like books, but there looks like there might be some other stuff in here, so I want to go through it. Is it a Harry Potter book?
Yeah. That's a decent book. Some of these we don't want for sure.
Yeah, these Southern cooking books. I mean, I've seen people sell Southern cooking books. Better Home and Garden.
Oh, Martha Stewart.
Something to do with Kentucky. Comfort Foods. French Cooking, Volume 1 and 2. Blue Buds. It's another cooking book. Fire Up Your Kitchen, it says.
Ooh, look at them bookends.
I know, that's why I said there's more than just books in here. Let's see. Screen Doors and Sweet Tea. Chocolate book. My knees are starting to hurt. And a Paula Deen book, Larry. Harry Potter book of spells. Let's see. This is cool too because it's like rough cut. The way that the book is cut. Jam tarts. This is a recipe book that's Harry Potter themed.
Cool.
That's cool. Unbreakable. I wonder what that's about. That sounds interesting, actually. What else is in there? Holy smokes, those are cool. Bookends.
Lions.
Yeah, those are.
Tigers and bears on mine.
Like some lions, tigers, bears on mine.
9 lives. That's a smartwatch band.
Fitness band. These are just wood ones. Someone would probably buy those. Alright, so most of this besides these few books are keep. That's a score. I don't think I want to keep any of these. Do you? What is this thing? Closer to Christmas, someone might buy this light projector thing. Put that in the Christmas tote. Oh, look, here's more markers. There's another one of those owls we already found. More faux deer antlers. A plastic deer. See what else is in here. Little metal owls. Well, I guess we'll hang on to those. Those might sell in my show. Little metal ones. I don't know why they're wrapped. Another deer. Some bells. Another owl. Some more faux stuff. No clue about that thing. The little deer there is cute. I like these. Should we keep these? What are you gonna show me? Oh my gosh, fast! Oh my god, you're going so fast! Oh gosh, slow down. More faux antlers. What's in the paper? More owls. No, a deer. A plastic deer. These little things are cute. We'll keep those. Oh, there's another owl. We'll keep those. Yeah. Here's more of the owls. We'll keep those. And that. I mean, somebody paid like $4 or $5.99 a piece for these little like faux deer antlers. I don't want those. Haven't got putting them back in this box yet. I'm trying to see what's all inside the paper. It looks like it's all. It's another one. Ceramic little deer head antler, like ornament like thing. Dropping stuff on the floor. These are cute. I already kept a few of those, so we'll keep that. And there's another deer head thing. Drop this on the floor. Pick it up. Yeah, the rest of this can go to the curb. I hate that glittery stuff. These are plastic. And they're like cracked and stuff. Guess the heat got them. That's all. Bye, curb. Welcome to the curb. Found these shoes and then we found these. So we're gonna try to mate them up. Well, I guess the floor is gonna get them. So there's a pair, there's a pair. Let's see, is there any mates? Any of the rest of them in here? There's the Nikes. A Nike. I don't know what that is. This says Marvel. These are Captain America shoes, Larry. The sad thing is I don't see its friend. It's weird. How do we only have like one? Look, one.
There might be. You got a couple things up there.
One. How do you only have one shoe? One and one?
The one-legged man.
I guess. I don't know who that is. Oh, this is gross. Is that How to Train a Dragon?
Yeah.
It is so hot in here. Did you give Lily that Layla? Mia, did you give that to Lily?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here, I don't think we want this, do we? Can you give it to Daddy? That's pretty cool with the nails.
Mm-hmm.
It's like faux though, it's not real metal. What else we got in there? What's it say? Faith.
Little homemade signs. Decorative crosses.
The little owl's cute. It's from Walmart though.
No, don't put that in there.
If you can, but the rest of it can go. Bye. Hi, Mia. Excuse me. Nothing falls on you, chicken dumpling. See how it's gonna fall over? Oh no! Alright, Dad. Pull it over. Let me see what you got in that box. Let me see. Go. A transfer tote? Dad's gonna get a transfer tote. Mia, are you running around? It looks like your shorts are falling down. Can you pull them up? There you go. Hers too big for 3T, but a little too small for 4T, huh? You got peanut butter on your face. Don't rub it on my shirt, please.
Mom.
What? Where's Layla?
Like Joe Boxer medium.
What is it? No.
Gilding.
No and no.
Those pants.
No.
No. Robe.
I think did these clothes come out of our house?
No.
That robe Lily used to have, so that's throwing me off. What's that? Yeah, this is a bag out of our house, I can tell you right now.
Is it?
I don't know how it got...
GMC?
Yeah, this was Lily's, I think. Lily, maybe it's not. I don't know.
It's got paint on it. Tweety bird.
I say no on all of that. What's next? What's next? Let's keep on moving. Keep on moving.
Coveralls.
What size? If they're little, no. They're like 2X and above.
Extra large. 40. That's my size. 42, 44.
You are not going to wear them though. You already got a pair in the garage. I say we offer them for somebody on Whatnot. I mean, there's
some work on a car on these. That's what these for.
Nick needs those.
Yeah, you might take them if it fits him.
Lands in size small.
Yeah.
That's cute. Yeah, we'll try to sell that because of the brand. Mom will probably want that. You're gonna unlock the door. Layla's gonna unlock the door. With mommy, can I get a lick? Thank you.
Brand new pack of assorted card stock.
I can.
Lily would like those. Is that keep or get rid? That's keep.
You don't want this?
Yeah, I do. I was throwing it in a keep. All right, let's keep going. Keep it going. Keep it going. All right, let me climb in here and get a bag. What's in the bag, Larry? Show us what's in the bag. In the black dark hole. You better hurry up and eat that ice cream so it don't melt all over those little chicken legs. You're like your mommy. I had chicken legs when I was little too. Is it so good? Comforter?
Blanket and comforter.
No, I don't want that. It'd be different if it's like new in the bag or something. All right, next up is something hard. There's hard things in this one. That might be the garbage bag. Remember we made a bag and it was garbage? Dun 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 dun. What's in the black bag? Is it trash?
Trash.
Oh, anticlimactic. Look, we got this thing. We already sold one of these suckers before. That was really cool. We're gonna put these out in the yard. Come on, Mia. Let's go put them out in the yard. They get all rusty and crusty and gross. They're made in Mexico. That's okay. They get all rusty, crusty, gross. We're gonna put them right over here in this beautiful garden. See my garden, you guys? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. We're gonna put them right here. Hopefully they don't fall over. We're gonna lean them against this. Maybe. Hold on. Let me think. Is that how I want to do it? Too bad they don't got stakes and I can stake them into the ground. I changed my mind. I'll be right back. Until I get a stake for them, that's where they're gonna have to be. But yeah, look at my beautiful bird. Ain't he cool? So we're gonna put those with stakes and kind of make them trellis upward right there. We just gotta get the stakes first. Yes, all of these are plants. They're not weeds. That's oregano. That's lemon balm. Yum, 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 yum. Classy as normal, I forgot to record an outro to the haul video from the flea market. So here I sit a week and a half later because we went Sunday morning before the show, so there was no way in heck. And I had a video that needed to be released before that. Story of my life, right? Always busy. So here I am sitting at camp editing the video, realized I did not record an outro. So the video was a small video from the flea market, about 18 minutes, and then I tacked on a little bit extra for you guys, which was the leftovers from the storage unit that we got a few weeks ago that we hadn't went through. So you got a little bit of flea market, a little bit of trailer action. So enjoy the video, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Follow us on Whatnot, follow us on eBay, and most definitely follow us on YouTube. We appreciate it. Thank you. See ya.